Hello everyone, this video is about widely used top IT management and monitoring tools. We all know these tools are a vital lifeline and a key aid for IT professionals. These tools help SMEs proactively address and prevent IT issues. What is monitoring and why it is important? Monitoring in IT infrastructure involves the continuous observation, tracking and analysis of various components within an IT environment. This includes servers, networks, applications and databases among other elements. Remember, there is a distinct difference between IT infrastructure monitoring tools and security information and event management tools. Monitoring tools focus on systems health and performance, whereas SIEM tools are security focused, aggregating logs to detect, analyze and respond to threats. On the other hand, an IT service management tool is focused on managing IT as a service. ITSM provides a structured framework for designing, delivering, managing and improving how IT is used within an organization. Just think of it as the central nervous system or the operating system for an entire IT department. I will soon share detailed videos covering infrastructure monitoring, SIEM and ITSM, including insights and examples. In this video, I am sharing few categories and tools with brief introduction which are used for IT management and monitoring. For understanding purpose, I group tools into 5 categories. Category number 1, application performance monitoring and observability. These are all-in-one platforms that bring all your different monitoring data like performance stats, error logs and user activity into one simple dashboard. They are usually offered as a cloud service you can subscribe to. Category number 2, infrastructure and cloud monitoring. These tools focus on the health and performance of servers, network devices, virtual machines and other core infrastructure components. Category number 3, IT service management and operations management. This category is about managing incidents, problems, changes and services, etc. Category number 4, log management and security information and event management. These tools specialize in ingesting, storing and analyzing large volumes of machine generated log data. They are crucial for debugging and security analysis. Category number 5, open source and emerging tools. These tools are typically not rated in paid analyst reports because they are not traditional vendors. Their rating comes from community adoption. Let's have a look at some of the tools briefly which are widely used and are among top rated by Gartner and other research and advisory. Datadog is a cloud-based monitoring and analytics platform designed for IT and DevOps teams. It offers comprehensive monitoring solutions for infrastructure, applications, logs and more. Dynatrace monitors infrastructure across on-prem, cloud and hybrid environments. It is an AI-driven observability and application performance monitoring platform for large-scale enterprise applications. New Relic, providing deep insights into application performance, errors and user experience, showing real-time performance data about applications, log information and infrastructure status. Splunk, used to collect, search, monitor and analyze machine generated data from various sources in real time to provide actionable insights for business, IT and security operations. Splunk is best for organizations needing powerful log analysis and real-time monitoring. Prometheus is an open source event monitoring and alerting toolkit designed for reliability and scalability. It collects metrics from targets and set intervals and stores them as time series data. Uptrace is an open source APM tool that supports distributed tracing, metrics and logs. You can use it to monitor applications and set up automatic alerts to receive notifications. Manage Engine offers OP Manager Plus, as its primary tool for comprehensive IT infrastructure monitoring, providing a unified platform for network, servers, applications, storage and firewall management with features for fault detection, performance tracking and automation. Amazon CloudWatch is an Amazon Web Services monitoring and observability service that collects and tracks metrics, logs, and events from AWS resources and applications, providing a unified view of operational health and performance. Zabbix monitors numerous parameters of a network and the health and integrity of servers. Zabbix uses a flexible notification mechanism that allows users to configure email-based alerts for virtually any event. This allows a fast reaction to server problems. Last but not the least, ServiceNow is used to set up systems that define, manage, automate, and structure IT services for companies. Stay connected and subscribe for upcoming informative videos. And do not forget to hit like as it boosts the motivation and appreciate the efforts behind making such videos. Thank you.